This video takes you through the second work plane worksheet for the textbook. The textbook is Cengage Learning. The part file is ESSE05051. Okay, so all you're doing for this one is creating two different work planes. I'm going to have you skip the middle step, which is steps 9 to 15. So the first steps is that you're going to create an angled work plane around edge. So what you do is you click this drop down. There it is, angled plane around edge. As the name implies, you're going to select both a plane and an edge. So I'm going to pick this top plane, and the edge I'm picking is this one. The angle you need is a 30-degree angle, but if you look, this 30 degrees is coming down, so you want it to actually come up from that surface. So I'm going to type in -30, which gives you a counterclockwise direction. And I'll hit the green checkbox, and now you're done with that step. Now you're simply going to start a sketch on this top surface. The sketch is quite simple. It's just a circle, so click the circle tool. Draw a circle that is a 1/2 inch in diameter. You need it to be 1 inch from this front edge, so hit the dimension tool and type 1 inch. Oops. Oh. Somehow that went off my screen and I mistyped. Okay, 1 inch. And then the last thing you need to do is make it coincident with the midpoint of this line. All right, now you're going to extrude that circle. Instead of saying distance, you're going to say to that work plane. And that's done. The next thing you need to do is create a midplane between two planes. And you're picking this and the back surface so you can rotate. There you go. Now we have a work plane going through. I'm going to hide this first work plane. So you just right click and say visibility. Now you have only that one done. Now with this work plane going through the middle, you start 2D sketch right down the middle on that work plane. You can hit F7 to slice it. And now you're simply drawing a circle. Move it to the dimensions. That is on this edge. The diameter is 0.375. And the location from the right edge is given at 0.25. Now you have that circle drawn. You're simply going to extrude it. So click on 3D model and extrude. And hit F7 so that I can, oops. I'm going to hit F7, but hit extrude again. The profile, pick that profile. You're extruding a 1/2 inch. And you're going equally in both directions. So you hit the symmetric. Hit OK. And that's it. You're done.